yes, sir. Aman.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Good afternoon. We are here to this rally is to address the country and call attention to what is happening in the state of the judiciary, particularly as it affects Benue State. And we will just read out our speech and then entertain responses and questions from the media. This is a text of a speech delivered by the convener Coalition of Civil Society Organizations in Nigeria at the same Nigerian judiciary rally in Abuja. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, today we are here as concerned Nigerians who believe in the rule of law. Our democracy is in clear danger, and the Honorable Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJ, and Justice Kudirat Kekereekun must save it. The strength of every democracy is the judiciary. The court of law is supposed to be the arbiter of justice, where the constitution is interpreted without bias. But today, the reverse is the case. The court in Nigeria has become more politicized than registered political parties. And Nigerians are beginning to feel this at every pinch of the political development as it affects the judiciary. How on earth could a chief justice of a state flagrantly abuse his office by flaunting the state laws, and the National Judicial Council, NJC, is quiet? Justice Maurice Ikpabesi, the Chief Judge of Benue State, unilaterally granted a waiver to petitioners of local government election tribunal not to pay security deposit, a constitutional prerequisite for any valid petition, and he's not being sanctioned. The question is, what happened? On the strength of the refusal of the NJC to punish him, he again violated the electoral laws of Benue State when he relocated the local government election petition tribunal at Abuja, which is clearly off territorial jurisdiction, in clear violation of the Benue State electoral law. Yet, NJC is quiet. In an attempt to protect the constitution of Nigeria and the laws of Benue State, The Attorney General of Benue State approached the Federal High Court sitting in Makurudi, which granted an order restraining the tribunal from sitting anywhere outside Benue State, including the Nigerian Bar Association House in Abuja. This order was granted on 7th March 2025 to the admiration of many Nigerians. Surprisingly, on Friday, 14 March 2025, an FCT High Court presided over by Justice M. Adamu frivolously issued another order compelling the Benue State Local Government Election Tribunal to conduct sitting in Abuja and particularly at MBA House. The question is, can the Benue State laws be applied in the FCT or any other state other than Benue State? And this has to do with local government elections. If the answer is no, it is also clear that the Benue State Local Government Election Tribunal cannot sit outside Benue State. Justice M. Adamu is a sabotage in the judiciary by that order he made, who has abandoned his oath of office, therefore is no longer fit to be a judge anywhere in the world. There is justice. There is no justice, there is no ground for granting an order of court, an order that is against an established laws. We are here today to submit a petition against Justice Maurice Ekpabese and Justice M. Adamu, who by their actions had converted the title of justice to injustice. The burden behoved on the Chief Justice of Nigeria and the NJC, led by Honorable Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, to expunge corrupt judges of the Nigerian judiciary in order to restore the integrity of the judiciary. Honorable Justice CJN Ma, under your watch, the Supreme Court descended into live issues in Rivers State and decided a case that is not before it when he heard. Matthew Amelewe is the Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, while the case is still pending in High Court and Appeal Court respectively. The judgment of the Supreme Court has been criticized by 11-man independent judicial accountability panel headed by retired Justice Mojeed Omoade. As part of the recommendation, the panel held that politicians should generally avoid undue influence on the judiciary and be more accommodating of each other in the interest of the people. It also urged the government at all levels to obey court orders, respect the fundamental human rights in a democracy, decrying the over 9 months after ECOWAS court damages. The point we are making is that the judiciary appear to be descending into the political shenanigans involving politicians, and is beginning to erode confidence in the judiciary, and is a threat and a danger to our democracy. If we are now today to say that local government election conducted in Benue can be decided in Abuja, we would have started a judicial precedent that it has nothing to do with whether it is the people playing in Benue today, but will affect the whole country. And that is why we are saying that the judiciary must look into it, reverse it, and where injustice has been done, they must bring the culprit to book. Thank you very much.